Hello families and kids. This is just a short video to show you how you can be checking your progress on iReady. So as you can see, I'm in my daughter's account, and here on the dashboard is the application for iReady. If you don't see it here on your home screen, it may be in one of the pages of applications. Notice you have a couple pages of applications. Depends on how frequently you use it, and things move around according to that. So I'm going to click on iReady. Remember, if you have to log in, you're going to use the Active Directory and then your email address. So it looks like your username, but at hernandoschools.org, and then your normal password. So then once you're logged in, and you get to your iReady screen, you can check your reading and check your math. So if I click on math, it shows the next lesson I have on my path. If I had a teacher assigned lesson, it would be over here to the left. Remember, if you have teacher assigned lessons, you should complete them first. And then if you scroll down and you look down here at the bottom, I'm going to zoom out a little so you can see the whole screen. When you click here on my progress, it shows your time on task for the week and the lessons you've passed the school year, how many lessons you've passed in a row. And when you click on this, you see your completed work. So it'll show the score you got and which day you took it. So you should have one for every day of the week. So you can see that my daughter has been doing what she's supposed to be doing. You can see that there's at least one for every day. Remember that the expectation is that you have 20 to 30 minutes per day for math. So this, like today's Tuesday, so she's at 43. She has the same expectations that I'm having in class for you guys. So this is good. She's in a good spot for a Tuesday end of day. Tomorrow, this will need to be at least 63 to show that she has her additional 20 minutes from today. And then in reading, it's the same. You click on reading, and then you can see how many minutes you have for reading and your completed work for that as well. And Mrs. Riondo also has an expectation. I believe hers is 30 minutes a day. So please be checking and making sure that you're getting your iReady instruction done. It is really one of the best ways that you can keep up with all of your skills. Remember that it's helping you fill the gaps you may have in your knowledge. That will make you more ready for learning the new content that you'll get in the 5th grade curriculum. The more of those gaps you can fill, the better and the easier math class is going to go for you. So please get your iReady minutes in, get those done. All right, let's do a better job with iReady in quarter 2.